Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an Uber driver account. This is helpful if you're planning to start earning by driving with Uber, and the setup is actually simple if you follow each step carefully. So first, make sure you've already downloaded the Uber driver app on your device, and once it is installed, open the app and you'll see the starting screen. So from there, tap on the continue button to begin. Next, you'll be given different options to sign up. You can use your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. If you prefer, you can also enter your phone number or email address manually. After typing your details, tap continue. Now, Uber will send a verification code to the email or number that you entered. And then go ahead and open your email and find the message from Uber and check the code. So once you have it, go back to the app and enter the code in the required field, then tap continue. After that, you'll be asked to fill in some basic information like your location, and if you have a referral code, you can enter it at this step. And when everything is filled in, tap next to move forward. And that is it. You've successfully created your Uber driver account. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.